Look at those lips. I want to kiss them. Mwah.
I'm a 90 girl, trapped in the real world. I just wanna get out of here, I just don't know.
So guys, I have something interesting to tell you. I was showing you that I got this book. Ta-da! Yes, I'm a JoJo fan. You guys already know it. Like, look at that. I'm married to Jotaro there in the background. Like, of course. So apparently, Steel Ball, like, that name, Steel Ball Run. A bit sus. But apparently this is a masterpiece, and apparently it's not connected to all the other JoJo stories, which means that I can start reading it. So I'm gonna ask you guys, should I start reading this book? Apparently this is one of the best JoJo books, which wasn't originally meant to be a JoJo book or a JoJo's Bizarre Adventure book. And I got it. So apparently it's not linked to the original 6 parts of JoJo, which I have in books, but I haven't read. And we should do a video, guys, if you want me showing you my collection. But yeah, I want to start this one. So let me know, guys, if I should give it a try. I mean, the character design already for the cover, it looks absolutely amazing. Like, I will marry this guy, like, in a heartbeat. Like, look at him, man. Like, when I saw this book, I was like, I don't even know who you are, but I will propose to you. Like, yes, I'll be like, marry me. And he's got a horse. Come on. Focus. I need you to focus, camera. Thank you, love. I'm gonna... Hi, Shadow. I'm gonna read just the first page, setting the stage. Just 4 years after Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876, it had been installed in nearly 50,000 American homes. The steam locomotives of the North American Transcontinental Railroad have achieved a top speed of 75 miles per hour and average speed of 55 miles per hour. Thank you! Supporting events had begun to capture public excitement. Professional Baseball National League was created in 1876, and the Chicago White Stockings became the first champions in 1891. Domino won the Kentucky Derby. The famous undefeated horse was later nicknamed the Black Whirlwind. My reading is terrible. I can do ASMR reading, but my reading skills suck really bad. In 1896, the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens. And though the event was strictly stipulated as an amateur competition, the winner in each sport was awarded a monetary prize. What are we reading here? We're reading JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Part 7, Book 1, Steel Ball Run by Hirohiko Araki. And that is a book that I'm going to start reading because I'm still watching the anime. I've just started part 4, Diamond is Unbreakable. So, but apparently this part isn't connected to the first 6 JoJo. So this is like a new sort of JoJo Bizarre Adventure, but like it's set in a different universe or something like that. So apparently it's not linked to the other one, so it's not gonna spoil anything for me. I just want to confirm is that it's true. And if so, I'm gonna continue reading this because honestly, this looks like amazing. Like it's just the book, the cover, it looks amazing. And yeah, it has a lot of like I think like 1800s American, like Native Americans and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to this one. So let me know if you guys want me to read this. Thank you. I mean, if you say don't read it, I mean, unless it's gonna spoil it, I definitely would read it. Because, yeah. You're gonna trust the chat. That's not a good idea, right? To trust the chat. Look at those lips. I want to kiss them. Mwah. And I haven't even read it. Like, whew, man, they look amazing. Men should wear lipstick. So I personally think he's a 10 out of 10. Look. Like, honestly, man, look at this. Wow. I mean, oh my God, everything about this guy is perfection. Look at that face, man. 10 out of 10. And here he looks a bit masculine. And then, well, and then we have like him looking a bit freaky. Look at his teeth, man. I love it. 10 out of 10. Daddy. Anyways, and that is why I'm unsuccessful. Romantically unsuccessful. Actually, if you say so. Man, he's gorgeous. He's absolutely gorgeous, man. And you're not gonna make me change my mind. You're not gonna make me change my mind. Look at this. Look, even has what? Hello. Hello.